Have you ever wondered how the tiny device you hold in your hand, your smartphone, is made? Embarking on a journey into the heart of our everyday technology, we dive into the intricate world of smartphone manufacturing. It's a realm marked by complexity and sophistication, where precision, innovation, and cutting-edge technology converge. Imagine a symphony, with each instrument playing its unique part, yet all coming together to create a harmonious melody. That's akin to the process of manufacturing a smartphone. The journey begins with procuring raw materials, followed by meticulously assembling the components. Then comes the moment of truth, where everything is put together, leading to the birth of a device that fits right into your pocket. But the process doesn't end there. Each smartphone undergoes rigorous testing and quality assurance before it is deemed ready for your use. This intricate dance, from components to the final product, is truly a marvel of modern engineering. In the next few minutes, we will unravel the step-by-step process of how a smartphone is made. Every journey begins with a single step. In the case of your smartphone, it starts with raw materials. The assembly of a smartphone requires a diverse array of raw materials. Among these, precious metals such as gold, silver, and palladium are crucial. These metals are known for their excellent conductivity, making them essential to the functionality of your device. But it's not just precious metals that make up your smartphone. Silicon, a key element in semiconductor technology, is the backbone of your device's microchips. This material is mined from the Earth's crust and then refined into a highly purified form. Aside from these, a cocktail of other elements like aluminum, carbon, oxygen, and potassium are also part of the mix. The process of mining and refining these materials is a complex and meticulous one, often spanning across different continents. Once these raw materials are gathered and processed, it's time to transform them into the components of a smartphone. With raw materials ready, the next step is to assemble the components. Picture a symphony of parts, each playing a crucial role in the grand orchestra that is your smartphone. The processor, the brain of your device, is often the first on the assembly line. It's a tiny chip packed with billions of transistors, working together to perform countless operations every second. Next up is the battery, the heart that keeps your device alive. Composed of lithium-ion, it's designed to provide hours of usage while maintaining a compact size. Then comes the camera, a marvel of miniaturization. It's made up of lenses, sensors, and motors, all squeezed into a space smaller than a dime. Don't forget the screen, your window to the digital world. It's typically an LCD or OLED panel, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. Each component is a feat of engineering, but their journey has just begun. Now imagine an assembly line, a ballet of robots and human workers. Each component is meticulously placed onto the circuit board, soldered, tested, then moved down the line. This process is repeated, with each component finding its place in the intricate puzzle. From the processor to the battery, from the camera to the screen, each part is assembled with precision. It's a delicate dance of technology and craftsmanship, a testament to our quest for perfection. Now that the components are assembled, it's time to bring them all together. The stage is set. It's time to assemble the smartphone. Picture this: a giant jigsaw puzzle, where every piece is vital and has a specific place. That's what the assembly of a smartphone is like. It starts with the motherboard, the brain of the device, to which all other components are connected. This includes the processor, the memory chips, the camera modules, and the various sensors that make your device smart. Next comes the battery, the heart that powers the device. It's carefully placed and connected to the motherboard. Now imagine the precision required here. We're dealing with components that are often smaller than a grain of rice. There's no room for error. Every connection has to be perfect. Every component has to be in its exact place. That's where machinery comes in. Robots and automated processes ensure the accuracy required. They can handle these tiny components with a level of precision that human hands can't match. They can place components, make connections, and even apply the tiniest droplets of glue with pinpoint accuracy. Finally, the screen, the face of the device, is attached. It's connected to the motherboard and carefully sealed in place. The assembly is a complex process, a symphony of technology, where every note has to be perfect. But even then, the smartphone isn't quite ready for its debut yet. There's one more crucial step. The final hurdle in the journey of a smartphone is testing and quality assurance. This phase is crucial, ensuring that each device is not only functional but also reliable and durable. The testing process is multifaceted, beginning with software tests. These checks ensure that the operating system and applications run smoothly, without glitches or hiccups. Then the smartphone is subjected to hardware tests, examining the responsiveness of the touchscreen, the clarity of the display, and the performance of the audio and camera systems. But the scrutiny doesn't stop there. Durability tests are conducted to simulate the wear and tear a smartphone might experience over time. These trials might include drop tests, bend tests, and even water resistance tests. This meticulous testing process is what separates a high-quality, reliable product from a substandard one. It's all about delivering a device that not only meets but exceeds customer expectations in terms of performance, longevity, and user experience. After passing rigorous tests, the smartphone is finally ready to meet its new owner. So, there you have it. The journey of a smartphone from raw materials to your hand. It all begins with the extraction of raw materials like silicon, gold, and lithium. These are refined and processed into essential components such as microchips, batteries, and touchscreens. Next, these components are meticulously assembled, creating the heart of the device, the motherboard. From there, the phone begins to take shape as the components are fitted into the casing, transforming a collection of parts into a sleek, modern device. But the journey doesn't end there. The new device put through rigorous testing to ensure it meets the necessary safety and quality standards. From the mines to factories, from assembly lines to testing labs, your smartphone has been on an incredible journey before it reaches your hand. Next time you use your smartphone, remember the intricate process and hard work that went into making it. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts about the things we use every day.